All right. So this is that January 31st, 2026 winter storm. Okay, it's about 9 p.m. Snow is still coming down. Here's my car. Put up the windshield wipers because, they're hard to get moving if there's enough ice on your windshield and you're trying to defrost it later. But yeah, still coming down in flurries, and you can hear just how quiet it is. The howling that you do hear, that's just because we are about a mile or so off of, we're actually really about half of a mile off of 540. So this is what everything looks like right now in Raleigh.